Right, so now we're on the Bandit, trying out this pistol scope for the first time. I've already put a few shots through it and tried to zero it slightly better, although I did zero it originally rested, but it's very difficult to get the eye relief bang on. Very quiet as this, but it's not very powerful. So they're now grouping around here, which is quite good. We'll put a few more shots through it. I'm just using the single shot loader and the H&N X-Height hammers. Can't get hold of blooming pellets. Single shot loader, it's actually very easy to use, is this one. Some of them are really fiddly, aren't they? So I'm just resting my left arm against the wall and using the pistol scope, single-handed. Nice grip on this, it's really comfortable. As you can see, the grouping in there, it was originally shooting a bit low, which it should be really at such close distance. Right, let's have another go. As you can see, they're all going in this area, which I'm happy with. So I shall persist and see how we get on. Stop recording.